and then we can finish it with cement soon, like this. Now 7 stars is another 2 full mouths, and now we create really good monolithic, and the entire we saw that from the frame design that we fabricate is very thin slim, and then we aesthetic finish it with adaptations from the tooth. Okay, right here, so good, right? And the other side as well. Right, so before we cement it, I would like to show you guys how I did it. Then we finish this, and then other side, just add it here. Okay, that's good. And here too. Okay, and then we can make the all put together. The final we're going to cement soon. All right. This is after cement with the GSM, the huge Pontic. Now it's finally to make the one piece, the aesthetics cases, just like that. Okay, like I said, it's all monolithic, and it will fit really well. Okay. And then this one is lower, same as this. Let's look at this whole long Pontic, so we finish it with this. Okay. So at the same time to finish that one. That one is the final illustrations. Okay, so this one is the 4 implant top and bottom. We made the Titan 7 star because it's long span Pontic. Now we measure. Can you show me the side view? Underneath side view, that's good. So it's 2.5 millimeter. That's nice. Okay, and underneath Pontic, nice. You see the huge Pontic and the really thin. So make touching slightly. You can add this slightly push the 0.5 millimeter. Good, and the lower. Okay, same as this long span Pontic. Okay, that's good. So now we're going to mill with the chrome cover, and then we start to make the Titan 7 star cases. It's nice starting. Okay, so this is a great example from the Titan 7 stars, which is 4 implants. As a long span Pontic, 4 implant long span Pontic, which is same case, just like the wax try-in, which is lower mandible. This is maxillary, it's like that. So what we did, we changed it quite a bit from the facial and lingual thickness, just like that. You can see the really thin, right? And this one is same things, lower, extremely thin. Bring it in. However, we give them long Pontic, which is no problem, both sides. Okay. So when we see the rear front side, just like that. Okay, and here as well, same thing. So this is the Titan 7 star pieces coming up after we nesting, and the mirror with the D2 and D5. It's like here. It's a great machine. All right, now we cut it. As a final tissue checkup, we trim it a little bit. Let's make sure we're touching together, so then we can feel free to cement now. With the top and bottom Titan 7 star cases is coming up now. Okay, so before we add the pink porcelain, which is the frame, round line, to make a segment in between the tools, just make more individual looking. And whenever I see the fencing, this is really flat, right? So we have to follow that kind of flat. And also, we have to make more V shape, like that. So that's the goal. In order to achieving that one, so I have to grind a little bit more. This is a mountain liquid, so we're not going to put any porcelain. So I have to give them a good foundation between the frame and the tissue. Not hesitate grinding to engrave because enough support, and also 6 units together like this. So this is very imperative in order to achieve the highest aesthetics. Titan 7 star cases, this is how I got share with you guys. People keep asking. Make more individual looking. After we finish this. This is the processing for Titan 7 star. Okay, so inside you can see the room from the lower and upper. So Titan 7 star case is proper contour, especially facial contour here. Okay, so now ready to build up. Okay, this is what look like on the knees. Like I said, the 4 implant is really huge, and then trying to cover as much as possible underneath with the ceramic. Okay. It wasn't matter slightly open, so we add with the porcelain again. And this one is really good. So that is why the Titan 7 stars is suitable for these cases. So now, compared to this model, just trim a little bit, and then so we can finish it with cement soon, like this. All right, guys, this is mono, and all right, this is lower. Okay, the other side here, and two. All right, it's coming up the finer. Okay.